Hey, this is Jake here with a quick video about my Q60. As you can see, my Q60 is jacked up and ready to go. The reason is because I've been getting the dreaded P2098 or 2098 code after I installed my HKS lower downpipes. And if you look at the downpipe, so basically I was getting P2098 in bank B. So bank B is actually the driver side, American or US driver side, so left side of the car if you're facing the rear. That's that bank, and it's basically saying it's in a lean condition. I took the lower downpipe off just to take a look at what was going on here, and basically this is what's been going on. So if you look at the lower downpipe here, you can see that it's pretty. Let's get in the sun here. You can see it's very blackened, which means exhaust gases were passing by here all the way. You can see on the bolt too, and it's also very soot. There's a lot of deposits. That's because essentially what was happening was the P2098 is saying a lean condition. Is because the O2 sensor here is reading too much air, and so it's trying to compensate with fuel, and that's why we have a lot of deposit here, is because it was burning super rich. I'll tell you what happened. So there's a lot of people on the forums and stuff that are saying that they're getting this P2098 and it's just a side effect of the lower downpipe. I don't think that's right. This is the gasket that goes on it. And as you can see, the gasket's pretty blackened too. Got a lot of deposits on it. But if you see, there's like this ring indentation right here on it. And if you look at this gasket here, you'll notice it's not symmetrical. So you can actually put it on backwards. So essentially what I did on accident was, instead of having it on like this, which is the proper way, but I had it like this. If you see that, yeah, you can see that ridge that formed there. And so that never sealed between the lower downpipe and the upper cat. So I had to get a new one from Infiniti this morning. I drove up there. It's like I think it was like $15. It wasn't too bad. So this is the new gasket. It's actually quite different. It's multi-layered steel. It looks like there's 3 layers in there, similar to like a LS1 head gasket. But yeah, lines up okay. Yep, lines up. So I'm going to make sure not to screw it up this time. But anyway, if you're getting a P2098, you may want to pull off, look and see if it's bank A or B. If it's A, it's on the passenger side. If it's B, it's on the driver side, US. Yeah, take your lower downpipe off, which sucks, but take it off, take a look, see if your gasket's backwards, like mine was, and I bet you $50 this fixes it. Anyway, car's probably going to run a lot better now because it's not going to be running rich in the bank B, but we shall see. Hope this helps.